Did you heard about Firefly Milky Way over Russia? It started with a pine tree. The idea was to photograph a statuesque pine in front of the central band of our Milky Way galaxy. And the plan, carried out 2 months ago, was successful. They both appear prominently. But the resulting 3-frame panorama captured much more. Colorful stars, for example, dot the distant background, with bright Altair visible on the upper left. The planet Saturn, a bit closer, was captured just over the horizon on the far left. Just beyond the Earth's atmosphere, seen in the upper right, an Earth-orbiting satellite was caught leaving a streak during the 25-second exposure. The Earth's atmosphere itself was surprisingly visible, as green air glow across the image top. Finally, just by chance, there was a firefly. Do you see it? Near the image bottom, the firefly blinked in yellow several times as it fluttered before the rolling hills above Milogradovka River in Primorsky Krai, Russia.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.